Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to learn how to connect your Google Sites to your domain. It's a very simple step, follow. You go to your Google Sites and open the site you want to connect with your domain. Open the site you want to connect with your domain and then simply click on this gear icon, settings. Inside the settings, you have this option called custom domains. Here you can see the superpowerarmy.suniltimes.com is already connected, but this custom domain is missing its certificate. Please delete, remove and recreate the assignments. Let's remove. It's not getting removed. I think it is removed now. Now there is an option called connect domain. So connect domain. Here you can choose the subdomain as www or you can put anything else you want. So I will connect Superpower Army with my domain that is suniltimes.com. Now the complete link is superpowerarmy.suniltimes.com. I want to connect this domain to this Google site. Now the instructions are clear. Go to your domain DNS settings, create a CNAME entry. Under CNAME, choose the value Superpower Army, then CNAME target or destination, enter this ghsgooglehosted.com. Okay? Now, my domain is on Hostinger. This is the domain. I have chosen CNAME. I have put the name Superpower Army. I have put the target ghs.googlehosted.com as per the instructions given by here. Okay, and then click on add record. TTL, don't touch it, don't change it. Click on add record. Once record is added, come back and click on done. So it is saying custom domain assigned, but it can take up to 2 hours to 24 hours to get connected and work properly. But let's go ahead and check if it is already working or not. So it is not working. It means it will take around 30 minutes to 24 hours. Okay, sometimes it takes only 2 minutes. It depends. But your domain is connected and within few hours, you will be able to access your Google sites on your professional domain. If you have any questions related to Google sites, to WordPress, or LMS, or setting up your complete digital business or digital coaching business, I am always here to support you. My name is Sunil Chaudhary. I am a digital coach, business mentor. I have already supported more than 1,500 coaches and more than 1,100 businesses and more than 50,000 students. I have been a coach for 12 years since 2014. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.